بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
قال إنه يقول إنها بقرة لا ذلول تثير الأرض ولا تسقي الحرث مسلمة لا شية فيها. قالوا الآن جئت بالحق فذبحوها وما كادوا يفعلون.
He says it is cow, neither trained to plow the earth nor to irrigate the field, one free from fault with no spot upon her. They said, no, you have come with the truth. So they slaughtered her, but they could hardly do it.
وَإِذْ قَتَلْتُمْ نَفْسًا فَادَّارَأْتُمْ فِيهَا وَاللَّهُ مُخْرِجٌ مَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْتُمُونَ.
And recall when you slew a man and disputed over it, but Allah was to bring out that which you were concealing.
فَقُلْنَا اضْرِبُوهُ بِبَعْضِهَا كَذَلِكَ يُحْيِي اللَّهُ الْمَوْتَى وَيُرِيكُمْ آيَاتِهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ.
So we said, strike the slain man with part of it. Thus does Allah bring the dead to life, and He shows you His sign that you might reason.
ثُمَّ قَسَتْ قُلُوبُكُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِ ذَلِكَ فَهِيَ كَالْحِجَارَةِ أَوْ أَشَدُّ قَسْوَةً وَإِنَّ مِنَ الْحِجَارَةِ لَمَا يَتَفَجَّرُ مِنْهُ الْأَنْهَارُ وَإِنَّ مِنْهَا لَمَا يَشَّقَّقُ فَيَخْرُجُ مِنْهُ الْمَاءُ وَإِنَّ مِنْهَا لَمَا يَهْبِطُ مِنْ خَشْيَةِ اللَّهِ وَمَا اللَّهُ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا تَعْمَلُونَ.
Your hearts become hardened after that, being like stones or even harder. For indeed they are stones from which rivers burst forth, and there are some of them that split upon and water comes out, and there are some of them that fall down for fear of Allah, and Allah is not unaware of what you do.
أفتطمعون أن يؤمنوا لكم وقد كان فريق منهم يسمعون كلام الله ثم يحرفونه من بعد ما عقلوه وهم يعلمون.
Do you covet the hope of believers that they would believe for you, while a party of them used to hear the words of Allah and then destroyed the Torah after they had understood it while they were knowing?
وَإِذَا لَقُوا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا قَالُوا آمَنَّا وَإِذَا خَلَا بَعْضُهُمْ إِلَى بَعْضٍ قَالُوا أَتُحَدِّثُونَهُم بِمَا فَتَحَ اللَّهُ عَلَيْكُمْ لِيُحَاجُّوكُم بِهِ عِندَ رَبِّكُمْ أَفَلَا تَعْقِلُونَ.
And when they meet those who believe, they say, we have believed, but when they are alone with one another, they say, do you talk to them about what Allah has revealed to you, so they can argue with you about it before your Lord? Then we will not reason.
أَوَلَا يَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّ اللَّهَ يَعْلَمُ مَا يُسِرُّونَ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ.
But do they not know that Allah knows that they conceal and what they declare.
صدق الله العظيم.